This is the keyring letters tutorial. Step 1, we're going to drag the letters onto the base. This has it pre-set up, but of course, when you're making your own stuff, you can come over to the right side here and choose your text and numbers. It suggests that we change the snap grid to 0.25 just to make it click in place a little easier. So I'm going to drag in my K. Katie is my sister's name. She'll love this. A. If you'll notice, even when I'm looking at the top, that if you see there's sort of a perspective still, it's kind of showing it as a 3D object. If you would like to see it straight on, you can switch here to the orthographic, which is a flat view. For those of you that have had me before, you know what an orthographic view is. And if you haven't, if you're just starting my class, we will revisit that next year. So I am pulling in the letters. Okay, click next. And we can resize this base by just clicking on it and dragging it in to be smaller. Next. Now, in order to get rid of all of these extra letters, I'm going to zoom out here for a second. You can just drag your mouse around it and it will select all of them at the same time. And then we can trash them or click delete on your keyboard. Next step, we're going to group them all together. So right now, if I were to try to move one thing, only that one thing moves. So to turn it all into one object, I'm just going to drag over the whole thing also and click group. And now you can see it's one object. It's important to know when we do 3D printing, we on our printers are only printing in one color. So when we're using Tinkercad, it's great when we see everything work out in one color. We know that's sort of what it will look like when we print it out. And